So I made a little data sheet that's going to follow the procedure. First we're going to do is we're going to clean this pan, okay, and make sure it's dry, and finding the mass of it empty. So the mass of the pan without anything in it. I'm going to add about 1 gram of the unknown from our filter paper, and I'm going to measure the mass of it before I heat it. Because to take away the water, I'm going to have to put it in the oven for a little bit. Then after it comes out of the oven, I'm going to find the mass of this with the unknown in it, again, after heating. And if there's water in it, the amount, this number and this number, this number should be less than the original before heating. And the difference is going to be the amount of water that evaporated away from it. Okay, so if you don't heat it enough, not enough will come out. So here I go. Again, zero the balance out. Put my pan down. Wait till it beeps. And the mass of my pan is 2.608 grams. Okay, now I want to add about 1 gram of unknown. So I would like to get something like 2.7 something, all right? So I'm going to bring my, my stuff inside here, being careful not to drop it. And I'm going to add it to the pan, and the mass will increase here. 2.9, 3.2, 3.4, 3.709, can be a little more than 1 gram, actually. 3.862. Okay, I think that's good. So I'm going to close it up, wait till it beeps, and 3.862 is my mass. So that's before heating. Okay, now, before I did this, I made sure I have my initials on the side of this pan, or they usually come with numbers. That's how we can tell. I didn't pick up somebody else's experiment. We go down to our oven, which is a little hard to open. So, and I'm going to put it in.
Let's see that oven.
Yep.
All right, there's the
Okay,
oven.
there's the oven, and we're going to let it cook for about a half hour. So I'm going to open up the oven, and of course it's hot, so I don't want to touch the inside. I'm going to use some tongs. Okay, notice I can control this thing very well using the little fingers. Bring it over to my balance. I can let it cool for a few minutes. Put it back on the balance, and then let's find out how much mass was lost. And what I have here is 3.744. So you'll notice that we lost a little bit of mass. Not much, but a little bit. So from these we can calculate the amount of unknown we started with, and we can calculate the amount of water that was contained in it. So we'll be doing those calculations and finding a % water.